Hey everyone, today we are back to working on my dishwasher and we are going to be replacing the seal for the air vent. Um, this is the part number 8269259, and these are ridiculously expensive. The retail price of these are upwards of, I've seen them for over $50, which is absolutely insane. I did not pay $50 for one of these. I ended up finding one of these on a new old stock on eBay for 15, which I still think is an extreme ripoff. These should cost something like $4 or $5, even in today's economy. I don't know why on earth these are so crazy expensive. And if it had come to the point where I had to pay or if the cheapest I could find it was $50, I would have just used silicone sealant, a high temp silicone sealant over the old gaskets to work out to help seal it up. And the way this is designed, I'm not even confident the new seal is going to entirely solve the problem, but we're gonna try it. And I got something I'm going to do to check it. I am going to use my calipers to check the thickness and compare it to the old one. This is 0.18 inches thick, 0.08 inches in that direction, and I think it's like a 3-inch. Roughly 3-inch diameter. It's kind of tough to tell, but it looks like it's around 3 inches, maybe a tiny bit less. But yeah, the main thickness importance that we care about is this thickness direction, the 0.18. Let's compare it to the old one, 0.18. And from my spare unit, 0.18. So that's why I'm kind of leery that this is actually going to fix the problem. The reason I didn't want to use the one from the spare unit is somewhere here. Yeah, right there. There's a little bit of a gash on it. And I just didn't like that. The rubber seems like it's in pretty okay shape otherwise. And this is the seal that we pulled out. And it's a little bit checkered. But it still seems pretty pliable, and there's no checkers on the edges where it actually seals. So, and actually, this brand new one that I'm putting in is also kind of checkered. But anyway, we're gonna put this in, and if it still leaks, I'm putting silicone on it. So this is really simple. You just press it into the groove on the air vent. And we need to loosen and or remove the front control panel. There, you got the screws out of that. I'm just going to kind of put one screw in here to loosely hold it in place. Okay. So let me see if I can show you what I'm doing here. This part is going to go in like this. Let's plug our wires back in before we push it up into place. So we're just gonna shoot, I don't know if you saw any of that. So reconnected my wires. It goes up in this direction under the faceplate. And I'll bring this back down so you can see. We're going to make sure that the gasket is still in place. And get this all lined up. There we go. It's all lined up. So then we take our cover and we install it at a kind of an angle. And to lock it in place, I took a piece of wood, went on the edge of it, and tap it until it's locked into place. Gonna check this. Looks good. Yeah, that all looks good. Collect all my screws. So reinstall the control panel cover. And there we have it. We are reassembled. So let me put some dishwasher detergent in and I'll fire this up and run a load of dishes and see if it's leaking or not. I'll be back. Alright, so this has been running through its wash cycle for probably about half an hour and there is no drip. So that's great. And let me just double check the detergent dispenser here. Make sure there's nothing leaking. Nope, that is nice and dry. Perfect. So this is finally ready to put the door back on permanently and I'm back in business. Thanks for watching, everyone.